I'm experimenting with some of the settings in the new Outlook in the calendar view. And I don't know if you found this yet, but particularly for those of you that work hybrid, maybe you want to indicate what days you're remote, what days you're in the office, and I even found something else for this. So here it's showing actually an icon within my calendar when I'm on my work week. And when I click on that, I can get in and choose whether I'm remote or if I'm in the office. And then it's displaying on my calendar. This would be something that I believe that my coworkers would be able to see on their side of things. Now, I also can get into it from the gear there, and I can set up if I've got specifics. Like most of the time I'll work remote, but sometimes I'll be in the office. I could certainly change that on a consistent basis. Show that work location on my calendar. I've got that checked, and sharing the location, here it is. They can see if they can't view it, or I can show office or remote or all details. Wow, everything, right? So it depends on your setup in there. And then I'll close out of that. I found one other thing I like. So let's say I've got a big event on the 18th. Maybe I want to go ahead and set my out of office. I'll be setting up for it. I'll be doing it. I'll be cleaning up. So I'll be out of the office all day. And I could do managing my big event right here all day on that day and save it. What I noticed is I could do this ahead of time, and it marked me on my calendar that I'm out of the office on that day. So I thought that was handy too. I could do it way ahead of time. Anywho, I hope you like those. Have a great day.